Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Friday, the 25th of April, 2025. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something that you like, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile. And make sure you follow along with the various social platforms out there, guys. It's where you're going to get all the content, all the trades, all the education that we do, all right there for you. So go ahead and grab all of that. All right. So we're not going to start with the S&P. We had two trades go off from yesterday. The very first one was AMGN. And when I say yesterday, it's actually the last trading day. We did not do one yesterday. So we did the last call we had was for the 23rd, which was second to last candle. So we look at a 5-minute candle for the 23rd, and we gapped up. We ran and ran and ran. We closed right here. We stretched up higher. We failed. And we're off to the races. Okay, we hit support. We'd be out before that support level. So we're in on AMGN at 282 is where we took the entry here, and we were out at 278. So a buck off of that level there. So overall, really nice setup. The next one was Mickey D's, MCD, right? Same Sing. Right, this day here. So let's go look at a 5-minute chart from yesterday, right? And we took a bearish trade on it. Why? Because it failed, retested, and dropped. Took the bearish trade, wound up closing in bullish territory. We never hit a support level. So we're out of that trade with a $108 hit, $288 profit on the AMGN, 108 hit on the Mickey D's. Total P&L is $22,949.88. We've got 95 overall trades, 76 winners, 16 went against us, 3 break even, 95 trades, 241.58 is the average P&L per trade of those 95 positions out there. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with our results. All right, let's go take a look at today's numbers or today's charts. Start off with the S&P first. Right, so on the S&P 500, we closed up and we chipped away at the ice. We broke through the 54.73. Excellent. So that's the bull saying, go ahead. We just paved the way for you. If you want to break through tomorrow, you're ready to rock and roll, which we didn't do that yesterday. Today we got there, which I'm very excited to see finally happen. We're up 109 points today, so great day. We're going to start off with AON. We had this one the other day. This is one that did not go off last week, or for the 23rd rather. So I like the downside better on this one. So I'll take the bearish trade. I prefer a small move down, a retest, and a fail. If I can get it, we'll take the trade off of the fail. Stop will be on somewhere on the other side of 365.5. If support's at 360, my target's going to be about 358. My bad, 359, 60, 361, maybe 362. I was going the wrong direction. I'm looking at the bullish side already. So on the bullish trade, small move up, retest, bounce. Take the entry off of the retest and bounce. Stop down below the 365.5. If resistance is at 371, my target's going to be about 368. Right? 369, somewhere in that range. Okay? That's number one. Next is Deer. DE. Yes, Deer. You can see we're closing right near that 466 level. I don't need a fib in here. This is a great move. We can get the bullish. I like the bullish move better on this one as a setup. So give me a move above, retest and bounce. Take the trade off of the bounce. The bounce stop is somewhere down here. If resistance is at 486, my target on this one's going to be about 482. Plenty of room there. On the downside, not as much. Retest, fail. My support is going to be the 21 moving average, which is 457.25. That puts my target at about 459. 459, 460, somewhere in between there. Not as much room on the downside. Definitely like the top side a whole lot better. PWR, and you can always decide, I'm not doing the one side versus the other. I'm only taking it in this direction. I love the upside potential on PWR. Chipped away at the ice 2 days in a row now. So small move up, retest, bounce. take the trade off of the 282.72 with the stop just below. Resistance says at 299-ish, right? Which means my target here is going to be about 296. For the downside, break down, retest, and drop. Right? My support is going to be the pink line, which is the 269.25. Right? So that means my target is 271, 272, somewhere in there. Right? And that's on PWR. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of your day. Make it a profitable one. I will see you at our next update. Bye for now.